What's going on? It's Scott here, and today we are going to be removing a seized freewheel. It came off of a Schwinn Skyliner. Everything on that thing was seized, so like this freewheel does not move at all. It's definitely seized on there, and I took it to a bike shop. They tried to remove it on a vise with two guys, couldn't get it off, so gonna bring out the big guns. We got an impact wrench. And if you're going to do this, you're going to need your freewheel tool and then a socket. So this is a 1-inch socket, and then it fits nice on the freewheel tool. And then you're going to want to make sure your impact wrench is going counterclockwise. So make sure that's going counterclockwise, and then let's see if we can get this off. This is my last ditch effort to try to get this seized freewheel off. That's on there. Huh? I don't think it budged. There we go. Got it off, man. I had this thing soaking in PB Laster for like 4 days. Wow, that's a success. So, got the seized freewheel off this hub. It was a steel freewheel on aluminum hub, so like they had the dissimilar metal bonding, and we got it off. And I hope this helps get your seized freewheel off.